Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy tax documents with H&R Block, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin deploying tax documents with H&R Block, start by visiting the H&R Block website. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the login section located at the upper right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your H&R Block account. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create an Account and follow the prompts to set up a new account. After logging in, locate the Tax Documents section on your dashboard. Click on the Upload Documents button to start the process of uploading your tax documents. You will see options to upload various types of documents, such as W-2 forms, 1099s, and other relevant tax forms. Select the appropriate document type you want to upload, then click Choose File to select the file. Make sure the document is in an acceptable format, such as PDF or JPEG, to ensure it uploads correctly. Once you've selected the file, click on Upload to submit the document. H&R Block may prompt you to review the uploaded document, check that everything is correct. If you need to upload additional documents, repeat the upload process for each. After all documents are uploaded, navigate to the Review section to ensure everything is complete and accurate. Once you have reviewed your documents, proceed to the e-file option within the platform. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your tax return. If everything appears good to go, click on the Submit or File button to officially deploy your tax documents. Wait for confirmation that your tax documents have been successfully submitted. Keep an eye out for any follow-up notifications from H&R Block regarding your filing status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.